All right, y'all. Morning. Market's about to open in 10 seconds. I'm a little bit late. I've literally been sitting here, but I guess I lost track of time. Let's mark out our highs and lows, session highs and lows. London, New York, Asian. We already took that. Hourly. Looks like kind of it, no? Yeah. All right. Um. Wow, bro. Another sell-off. Holy. No way, right? No, it doesn't look as strong as last 2 days. I have ES. Oh shit. I have ES up here. My monitor. We're also dumping. Holy shit. Let's get rid of this. Alright, so it kind of looks like, to me, this looks like, almost like Asian manipulation. Kinda. London reversal. You might get manipulation here. I'm thinking my bias is we sweep out these hourly lows, sorry, and then take out London and Asia highs. Let me didn't mark this out. Let's see what we want to do though. Let's go. What is this? 4 hour? What did I mark that out on? The hell? Not sure where that came from, but pushing back up. And I wish you took out those lows. All right. 15 minute. Do we want to go lower? I don't know. Look, you do not see a reason to. Oh shit, we completely flipped that candle. We took out some of these little highs, but I was looking for that key level. Took out some 5 minute highs. It's a crazy wick right there. Boy, I'm tired. 45 seconds. Jesus, it's candle, bro. might be looking for this key level now. Hopefully, look for long up to these highs. Best case scenario. It's like price is moving, but price isn't moving. You feel me? Jeez, man. Alright. Yeah, we're looking real indecisive right now. When you have the first 5-minute candle being a doji, or not a doji, but those wicks. I hope we don't just chop around all day. New cup, by the way. Cut myself up last night. Tram. We messing with it? Boy. Come on, move, bro. Oh, shit. Remember to stay hydrated, bro. Come on. Hello. There's a fair value up soon. 15-minute, bro. We do seem to be respecting it unless we do rip up higher. Bro, I keep on pressing gold. Matter of fact, how is gold doing? Just rip it, huh? Oh wow, we're looking kind of bullish, surprisingly. You might want to take out these low resistance liquidity and go lower, because I don't see it just reversing here. You know what I mean? I mean, I guess London did sweep this liquidity. But I would have liked the sweep of these highs. Wait, is that just ES? Oh shit. Wait a minute. ES swept. Nasdaq did. We have an SMT. I'm tripping. Okay, I gotta tee up, bro. So we have an SMT right here. That's actually great. Okay. I just need I need to see more candles, not straight wicks. Let's see. Maybe I need to get in the 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Either way, there hasn't been an entry so far. That's good. But damn. Yeah, this is rough. We have low time frame SMT here. So which one is the lagging and leading? I think I'm just gonna go with NQ here because we had the higher time frame one here. Look at my dog waking us here. Hi Bella. All right. There's just no setups right now. This is tragic. We do still want to come lower. I don't know, I realized this earlier. Almost missed out on that. Yeah, now now we're bullish. This is good. Do we respect? Nah. Bro, brother, you just came in here, dude. Now she's trying to leave. No, I forgot. Alright, 10 minutes to market open. I think we're looking to respect this inverse fair value gap, but I'm hoping we close this candle and then close this little gap. Maybe find an entry off that. Looks like the risk to reward isn't the best, but ooh, actually, ES doesn't look too bad. I think either way, we're either one's a good option because I just like NQ better because we know NQ's volatile as fuck, and we have the higher time from SMT, and on NQ we have another one. So either way, we should be good. But I just like the way this inverse fair value gap's looking, or not inverse yet. Probably going to get on that either way. Okay, we look like we're closing the gap. ES is looking a little stronger. I might want to take it on ES. But, this is hard. Because NQ is the lagging index. Bye. chill now? You good? Relax, dude. It's alright. Holy shit. Wow, okay. Okay, ES is fucking running today. Holy fuck. Both of them. And Q's yet to take this high out though. Looks like we're coming for these highs, and that's in a fair value gap too. So that's Bella. What are you growling at? Bro. I think I'm still muted. Wow, okay, so we're just gonna fucking short because today, I mean, this week is just. I said this before, fucking short galore. Because what is this? Let's go to ES real quick. Delete this. Oh, wow. She got that high. We haven't taken out this high in NQ, but I feel like ES is saying fuck it and just running through all of them. I don't think it fucking matters. I do hope we like just reverse here though. That'd be nice, since we did get the SMT. Cause that would be a fire RR, I think. Unless we just go short here. In that case, then it's just low key cooked. Thank you. Holy fuck, yes. Ow. I mean, yeah, this is a nice and strong SMT. So if we close that shit, we close this gap, I'm gonna go back to NQ, put ES up here. To the 1 minute. Yeah, holy man. This isn't even in Q's, but I close it. Yeah, I mean, we can't just ignore an SMT like that for a second time. Oh boy. Oh shit, my stomach. So put you ready down. It looks like we're gonna close this gap. That is a switch in order flow, and now we're ripping. Okay. I would just want to see a retracement. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. A retracement back into this level. Hopefully. Perfect. Well, we did kind of get that, but we hadn't closed that gap, so I'm hoping for another one. Let's see. Holy shit. Let's get a position ready. What happened, Bella? I don't know if y'all heard her. She's like sighing over there. Come on. Retrace. That's good. That's not good. That's not what I want to see. So like yesterday, I basically entered off of this shit, but except it ran, so it fucked up my R, and I just got stopped out damn near immediately, cause of FOMO. I felt to that shit, and that's on me. You feel me? Like you gotta stay disciplined, cause you can't rush into shit. If you're not really feeling it, like if you're not 100% confident, don't take the trade, cause I usually ask myself, would I get mad at myself if I took this trade? And I didn't ask that before that trade. I'm thinking, what if I missed this move? And that's why I lost. If I didn't lose that first trade yesterday, I would have been up crazy on the day. Here we are. But there you go. All right, that's actually great. That's actually great. I do want to see like a breaker structure though, because I don't like entering if there's no breaker structure. Let's see how we react. Unless we get a really good candle closure, which we look like we're gonna get. 30 seconds on this. No, I'm gonna be patient. If we, there we can put her in there. We'll see. Let's get our positioning ready. Go for our market. Oh, that is not what we want to see, but it's not bad. Now we can get an easier breaker structure for 1%. You want to give it a little space, actually. There you go. This looks crazy on the 5 minute because it's just this fat ass. It's just a fat ass wick and then a big old bearish candlestick to the downside, but I do think we're gonna react good to this. I mean, you saw that first candle. I do want to close this bearish though. Yes. Good. All right, most likely getting in after this candle closure. Now, since we're a little lower, maybe yeah, like that. I like to be real lenient, not lenient, but loose to my stop losses because I got ticked out way too many times, and I hate that shit. So, all right, all right. This is a great entry. We have a high time frame liquidity sweep on NQ, and we have a high time frame. Damn, it's kind of running from me. High time frame SMT, bullish SMT, and then retracement into inverse and fair value gap. We're getting the break structure right now, and the candle closure of 10 seconds. And yeah, this looks great. 3, 2, 1. All right, great. Looks like we're good there, right? Yeah, nice. All right, we're in for a 2.66 RR. Let's see how this shit plays out. There we go. I am in line, right? Yeah. I don't know why I'm tripped about that shit. Alright. Kind of ripping down, huh? Well, goddamn. Alright, so that's that, I guess. Holy. How did I even get stopped out? Oh, never mind. I was gonna stop that anyway. Damn. That was quick. Literally first minute candle down. Alright, unfortunate. Not mad at myself at all for that. Like I said, that was a great entry in my eyes. We are chopping a little bit. Maybe that's an excuse to stay out of a trade, but yeah, low-key was kind of I was kind of married to the 1 minute, which isn't the best idea ever, but the rest of my confidence were saying go long. Here's what it is. Might stay a little longer, look for another, but yeah, I mean, taking longs in this fucking economy is just like insanely difficult. Wow, dude. Am I on ES? No, on Nasdaq. Just try to stay in 5 minutes, maybe. Jeez, dude. At this point, like on ES, I could have entered off this, but like, let's be for real, that's such a shitty. I guess not. I guess not. Yeah, no, I'm not just entering off a fair value gap. Jeez, bro. Like, you almost can't lose with a goddamn with a short right now. If I find a decent entry, I'll get in, but I'm not just getting in on anything. Look at that. Is that a 5-minute retest? Nope. Ah. Yeah, we're just chopping. I might just get off. Take a loss. Because, this PA is not pretty. We did have an SMT, but to enter off of that, like, there was no entry for real. Let me show y'all. You see NASDAQ, we had a lower low here. NQ, we did not. But I don't want to enter off just an SMT though. Damn. Y'all see this? If we break through this low range and retest, then that's possible entry. Because we do have pretty good upside. Like, where am I? Did I not mark this out? I guess I forgot. Ooh, but now we might make a bearish SMT. NQ looks like it's lagging a little bit. Alright, there is possible trades to be taken. Let's give it a little more time. Yeah, we are making a bearish SMT right now. Off these highs. If we could take out this hourly high, then you already know we're in short. Let me put NQ on the screen so y'all can see, and then, ES, and then NQ up here. Huh. I mean, I guess this was the long I was looking for. Bro, yeah. Oh my god, I should have took the long on ES, bro. We never got the breaker structure, so I would have entered until here. Either way, it would have been the best entry, but I mean, look at this. I enter here, let's say. Ooh, stop. Now I'm putting my stop under after value gap. We'd be up 1.4 right now. And we will be on our way to this hourly high at 2.18. NQ's getting there slowly but steadily. Oops. If we take out these highs on NQ, then I'm probably getting off. I do want to see this hourly high to get taken. I think that's an hourly high. Yeah, I want to see that get taken out, and then if we tap into this little fair value gap too, we are in short. Ain't that right, Bella? Yeah. Alright. Just look at this chop this morning. Fuck. That's why. Sometimes you gotta wait a little longer. But I mean, I had no way to know it, to be honest. Except for that SMT. If I knew that SMT was there, that's on me. I have a better eye for that. If I seen this SMT and I seen we respected this, I'm 100% in long in ES instead of NQ. But it is what it is. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. You might take out those highs. Yes, NQ. Sorry, I don't know what I'm looking at. NQ might take out these highs, which kind of fucks up my SMT that I'm looking for. But I'm lying. If ES sweeps out this, it doesn't matter. This is a stronger SMT. God, I already learned SMTs like a few weeks ago, and I love this shit, dude. Like, this shit really, really does work. $10.07. I didn't realize I muted earlier. I hope I haven't been muted this whole time. Literally. Wow, I'd be so mad. Yes, just take out these highs, bro. Please. What are our draws, though? Our draws would be these lows we just made, I guess. Whoops. Whoops. Ooh, I say, sad song, saying, ooh, I say, how's the song go? Sad song, it's sad. Oh shit, put some music. I'm fucking tired, bro, and bored, bro. Yes, bro, just take out the highs. What? Goddamn. taking forever, dude. Should we hop on Clash? Thinking about it. What the hell is Apple Music doing here? Get this shit out. Ooh, I sing. Oh shit. Sad song. We're gonna get 5-minute retracement maybe? Yeah, we are. Do I want to enter long off that though? I guess I don't see a reason why not. We don't have an SMT in here. This could be our take profit. Maybe even this layer London highs on. It's just like 390 6399. Well, I don't even forget to get the full retracement, and it'll be kind of weak at low. Cause if we want to get discount, wouldn't really be there for that gap. I don't know. We'll see. Fucking NQ fucked me today, bro. Making that SMT. At least I know my bias was right. Happy about that. Just premature entry, I guess. Okay, so no 5-minute retracement. Looks like we're about to just take out the ski level. We'll see if we can get short off this, but it's getting late, so could still move though. Not gonna lie, because market's moving cleaner now. Just fucking chopping it up at 9 a.m. Hold on. While we wait for this shit, let me peep the gains. Yo, I have like I don't know if you're gonna see this. I have like a crazy lat, what is it called? Imbalance. Like it's the right one's bigger, right? I think so. And my left, also my right trap is smaller than my left trap, so it's like, ooh, my hair's chopped as fuck right now. So like I didn't realize this until I started like recording and shit. I had to the camera was inversed. Let's move this up here 1 second. The camera's inversed, and I realized that I tilt to the right. I think it's to the right. Like I kind of go like this, like all the time. Like I'm not straight up. I thought I stood like this, but I'm a little bit and it trips me out like weird as fuck. And I think it's because my right trap is a little smaller for some reason than my left trap, which like doesn't make that much sense. So I gotta like fix the imbalance. I have a bunch of fucking imbalances. This shit's annoying, but yeah. Alright, back to trading. Alright, this SMT looks, or what's about to be hopefully an SMT, looks inevitable. Sorry, brother. want to like reverse and shit. Like what's going on? The fuck is this? Yo, do any of y'all um use this? Is this helpful? Does it actually do anything? Like just look at the candles, right? But like if there's no volume, I kind of wanna like I wish this shit was helpful, but to be honest, like I feel like it's just the same thing as looking at the candles now. Let's see though. I guess, yeah. Like, will it tell me how much volume it is before we see? You know what I mean? And how is this bearish? Oh, because 3 candles closed bearish. And is it the same as? Huh? I don't know. Every time I like go to backtest or some shit though, or every time I open TradingView for the first time again, that shit pops up and it's annoying. Alright. Finally. Looks like we are about to take out this high. It's weird though, I don't know. I feel like I always lose the first trade of the day, or I get break even. That's happened the last like 3 days. First day I got break even. I would have gone stopped out. Yesterday I took a loss. Today I took a loss. I took a loss and then I won. It was pretty. I think that was my biggest win so far too. It was nice. And then today I lost. About another one real quick. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, hopefully. There it is. All right. Okay. Bro, I got it. See, I bet there's real good volume now. All right. It does appear we are gonna get our long-awaited SMT. Let's wait a little bit. See if we okay. Look at NQ. We like to see this. Oh, kinda. God damn. Goodness me. Let me get ES up here now. We're now looking for a reaction to this liquidity sweep. So we'll break a structure on either index, inversion of fair value gap, which will never turn into fair value gap, but we seem to be rejecting, which is good. We will be taking this on NQ again because it is the lagging index. You know what I'd like to see? I'd like to see this rip down and retrace. That would be nice. I don't want to see too many wicks though, because this tells me we want to go higher. You feel me? This candle might flip. Should I take this on the leading index? Yes, just looks so much better today. Happy Thursday. Thursday? God damn. If I see a setup on ES, I'm probably taking it because this fucking NQ is being kind of rude today. And if we sweep out these low lows, I mean these low highs, and it looks like ES doesn't want to. Now we have a low time frame SMT to take on ES. But we don't want to do that, of course. I could really fall asleep right now, bro. Holy. I think that's gonna happen. Oh, come on, dude. It's gonna make me cry. Okay, we took out those little highs. Wow, okay. Yeah, I'm low-key looking at ES on this. I'm gonna switch over here. Oh shit, that's gold. I'm gonna switch over to ES here, switch to NQ here. If we get a break of structure here, I mean we're looking good. But it looks like ES wants to go higher. If it does, then it's fine. But if you know. If this is an SMT, I don't know, this is rough. This is like I'm thinking about just getting off because this is like throwing me off. Damn, I could have cut this move. Unfortunate. I gotta go with my gut. You feel me? Cause y'all heard me say. I'm looking at NQ because it's smooth. I'm at ES because it's smooth. Was it? I said that around here, no? No. What is this? Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow, bro. Hey man. Oh, we seem to be ripping. Hold on. This is ES. This is. Nah, I'm just gonna get off the charts low key. Not like be that guy, but let's see how much I would be in for right now. Say I enter off the break structure, so let's just say like right here. Off that candle, let's say I put it at the fair value gap and then aim for these hourly highs. 2.4. That was a completely doable trade, like too. That was like free. I mean, look at my bias on NQ. Same thing. You know? Alright, chat. That's probably it for me. I'm off today, took a loss. Not mad at all. Just wrong index. Indice, whatever you want to call it. Freaking NQ, man. Freaking NQ. Let's see, I'm looking over here. Yeah, no. Yeah, nothing. Damn, today's Friday and tomorrow, the day after is Saturday. Fuck. We got one trading day left in this week. Oh, there was fucking news today, huh, too. It's, hold on, let me go here. What is going on? Forex. Factory. I low-key completely forgot to check fucking news, bro. I knew there was news today, but I completely forgot to check. I'm not even gonna lie. Filter this out real quick. Unemployment at 5:45. Oh, I'm tripping. Where's my 5:45? Oh, that's why we ripped down. Huh. Well, I feel like price did it. I mean, yeah, we probably consolidated up here because of price, but it was a good setup. I can't even. You feel me? I can't be mad about that. All right. That's it. I'll see y'all. That's it from me. Dale. Hope y'all took a win today. Holy fuck. Yeses or both are ripping. All right, dale. Peace. I'm out.